I'm Eric Meyer with Werner Electric Supply. If you install panel boards, you know it's a lot of work. Before you can even begin the installation, you need a lot of setup. But do you know the true cost of the time investment? We simulated a typical panel board tub setup. Let's see how much time it really takes. Before he begins, our electrician meets with his foreman to review the drawing. He gathers the necessary tools and materials. Then he carefully marks the placement of the cutouts according to the drawing. This is a critical point in the process. A mismarked tub can easily become a ruined tub. That means wasted time and material. Next, he starts drilling. This is a very labor-intensive job and a hazardous one. The electrician is at risk of sprains and strains or being injured by flying metal shards. He keeps cutting hole after hole, occasionally slowed down by a worn-out hole saw or a worn-down battery. The more cutouts needed, the longer the job. Finally, after all the holes have been cut, he has to clean up the mess and put away all his tools. This whole process took nearly half an hour for one panel board tub. When Werner Electric does the work, you have no setup time, no risk of error. Our enclosure modification machine uses your CAD drawing to produce flawless cutouts. No safety hazards for your crew, no wear and tear on your tools, no mess to clean up. Why pay skilled electricians to cut metal? It's not worth it. Get your modified panel board tubs delivered to your job site, ready for installation. Call Werner Electric Supply today and start saving time and money.